budget segment, it is very hard to find the right pair of buds, and in this race, there is a new competitor, the Realme Buds Air 8. But are they worth buying or not? Let's understand by the end of this video. I am your host Harshit Arora. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. The Realme Buds Air 8 look attractive. इसका boxy design अच्छा लगता है, and on the top you get silicone finish with Realme branding, which makes it look more premium. The case is built of plastic, but it's not bad quality plastic, and you get 3 color options. But I like this one more. You cannot open the case single-handedly, but yes, the hinges and magnets are fine, so buds गिरते नहीं हैं, and lid एकदम से close नहीं होता. When you open the case, you can see the pair of buds and a nicely placed button to reset the buds. These buds come in the same generic stem design with a matte finish, but other than stem, you get a glossy finish. With them, you get 3 ear tips option for your convenience, and the in-ear fit is good. They don't slip or hurt. These buds come with an IP55 rating, and you can use them while jogging or exercising. For connectivity, you get the Realme Link app, and these buds connect immediately as you open the case. After connecting, the app gives you many customization options. You can customize lows, mids and highs according to your need, and you get EQ mode as well. And under that, if you use the clear bass, you get much better result. Most useful features are AI Translate and Ask AI. Well, the AI Translate works fine, and you can use it for live translation and face-to-face translation, and it gives you real-time answers too. But during our testing, Ask AI showed many issues. I think maybe in further update they will fix it. लेकिन to use Ask AI or AI Translate, you need to open the Realme Link app, and these types of features are not common in budget segment earbuds. So yeah, nice work. You can pair up to 3 devices with these buds, and you can use them simultaneously. But that's not it. You get another feature called Auto Answer. Basically, as you take out the earbuds and wear them, they automatically answer the call. Very useful if you are busy with some other work. The Realme Buds Air 8 comes with 11 plus 6mm dual drivers. The sound quality on default settings is not very good, so I switched to LHDC 5.0 high resolution, and the result is better. The bass is okay on default settings, but if you tweak it and use the deep bass, then you will enjoy the bassy music even more. For overall best experience, you can choose the clear bass mode, in which you get good lows, clear mids and highs. While testing, I used them at 100% volume, and I suggest please don't do that because it starts distorting the music. You will enjoy the music at 70 to 80% volume at max, and it is satisfying as well. But if you turn on spatial audio, it turns off the high definition sound quality. In each pair of buds, you get 3 mics, and while testing, I use them in many tricky situations, but the result is good. After turning on game mode, you can play games with almost no latency, but the active noise cancellation is not up to the mark. I mean, after turning it on, I can still listen to the external noise, और थोड़ी बहुत नहीं, काफी ज़्यादा. And कई बार during my music session, there is some sort of disturbance which is annoying. Well, you can customize buttons for double, triple tap or touch and hold setting, but I don't understand single tap का option क्यों नहीं दिया. Strange. The Realme Buds Air 8 comes with excellent battery life. When I started using them, the case and buds were 100% charged, and I could use the buds non-stop with ANC for 2 movies. And if you turn off ANC, then you can even use them for more hours. Keep them in case for 10 minutes and they are ready for another music session. After discharging the buds and case completely, it charges back to 100% in almost 2 hours. But if you wait only 10 minutes, then your buds are halfway charged. Before coming to the final verdict, let me tell you, these buds start from 3,799, and I think if you want a premium looking earbuds with long battery life, rich bass, decent sound quality for music and movies, plus many useful features, then yes, it is a good option. Lekin if you want a pair of buds with best sound quality and best ANC in this price segment, then you can look for other options. Well, what do you think about these buds? Do let us know in the comment section, and subscribe Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews.